Have you ever wondered how to undo a function and get back to where you started? Well, welcome to the world of inverse functions. Today I'm going to explain it step by step on how to inverse a function with just 4 basic steps. Okay, let's get started. And by the end of this video, you're going to see that how easy it is to inverse a function. And you might say, okay, man, I was frustrated over this topic. Okay, so let's get started. Now what I'm going to do first is I'm going to make a line over here and I'm going to write a question. Okay, I'm going to write the steps on the right side and then a question on the left side. Let's say question 1 says f of x is equal to 2x plus 9. Okay, let's take a basic example. Now, and we'll also write the steps down. Step 1, okay, step 1 is replace f of x with y. Y, okay, that means f of x becomes y. Okay, f of x is y. Now we have y equals 2x plus 9. That's the first step. Second step, make x subject. Okay, that means I'm going to take everything that is not x on one side and everything that has x on one side. Okay, that means I'm going to first take 9 on the other side. That's going to give me y minus 9 equals 2x. Then y minus 9 divided by 2 equals x. Okay, let's write it over here. X equals y minus 9 divided by 2. Okay, third step, make x subject in f of x equals y. Remember this thing over here? We have to make x subject over here, and you might say, okay, we might be confused about making x subject. Don't worry. The first one is the second rule, the second step, sorry, make x subject in equation. Okay. The below one is make x subject in fx equals y. And yeah, one more thing, don't worry about writing these notes down. I'm going to leave the link to the notes in the description so you can access them there. Okay. Now, they said make x subject in fx equals y. Okay, let's take that over here. F of x equals y. I want to take f on the other side. What I'll do? It will become minus f? No, it's going to become f inverse, meaning x equals f inverse like this of y. Okay, x is the subject now. What do? Now I replace this. Replace x equals f inverse of y in equation. That means this x goes into over here. Okay, that means I'm going to have f inverse of y equals y minus 9 divided by 2. Let me fix this. Y minus 9 divided by 2. Now, let's just fix this here. Next step, I can see f inverse of y equals y minus 9 divided by 2. That means if I write f inverse of x, that's going to give me x minus 9 divided by 2. So, final step is replace y with x. And that's done. First step, replace fx with y, make x subject in equation, make x subject in fx equals y, then replace. I think I mixed it up here. Replace x equals f minus 1y in equation and replace y with x and you get your inverse. Basic 5 steps, okay? And this is the fifth step I just added. You just have to put this back with x and you'll get it. Now, let's see one more example here. Let's take down. Now what I want you guys to do is do this question by yourself first, then play the video, okay? Let's say I have fx equals, let's say 9x minus 16. Okay, what do? I follow the same steps as above. Let's first write this down. That's going to give me, first step is fx equals y, replace it with y. If you go above, first step is fx with y. Next step is make x subject in the equation. Okay, that means I'm going to make x subject. So y equals 9x minus 16. Okay, that's going to give me y plus 16 equals 9x. Then y plus 16 over 9 equals x. So now x I have y plus 16 divided by 9. Okay, that's done. Make x subject in fx equals y. Okay, that means I'm gonna have fx equals y, then x equals f inverse of y. Okay, next step, replace x equals f inverse of y in equation. Okay, that means it goes here, this goes all the way to here. I'm gonna have f inverse of y equals y plus 16 divided by 9. Okay, that's done. Then the last step is replace y with x. Okay, so f inverse of x is equal to x plus 16 divided by 9. Okay, that's second one done. Now I'm gonna leave these two questions over here, and you guys can do them and leave the answers in the comments, and I'm gonna check them and pin the right comment. Okay, let's say I have fx equals 10x minus 9x plus 11, and this is question number 3. Question number 4 is fx equals 18x minus 3x plus 1 minus 2. Okay, these two are your homework. Do these two and I'll pin the right comment. But now that's for inverse functions. Now you know how to inverse a function. But the real question is, can every function be inversed? Like if I give you any type of function? We're going to learn that in the next video. Stay tuned for that. Subscribe. And yeah, I'm going to see you all in the next video hopefully. Thank you.